Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up another camera. This one is the Reolink E1 Pro. I did pick this one up at the time of this recording for $49.99 from Reolink. You can also pick it up from Amazon for the same price. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Alright, let's get to it. First thing, right in the top is your quick start guide. Seems to be very detailed, going over the camera, the application, network settings, mounting, and so forth and so on. We'll get into this a little bit more. Also comes with your window decal, 24-hour video surveillance. Put all that back in, set it to the side. Next thing out of the box is your power adapter. Mounting screws and anchor, and a small mounting plate. That's a very small profile. This looks like it's about a possible 8-foot cord. We'll take a closer look at it. Very small power connector. These tiny ones always worry me a little bit about possibly getting broken off in the camera itself, but we'll see how secure it is in going into the camera. The power brick, the adapter, wider profile. It does look like, depending on the power strip or outlet that you have, this would cover the second outlet, which is a bit of a drawback. However, it does not come out far from the wall or outlet. Flatter profile, which is a good thing. So pros and cons about this. Next item out of the box, the camera itself. Packaging, very well done, very secure, well padded. Seems to be no issue. And there is your camera. This particular camera is a 4 megapixel Super HD viewing. It does have a pan and tilt. It's compatible with a 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. This also gives you the ability to have two-way audio conversation. It does have the capability of putting an SD card within the camera itself, and it gives you real-time alerts in regards to motion and or sound. I also read online this has the ability to give you the FTP upload of your video clips. I am going to check into that a little bit closer because that is a huge plus for me. So this is everything that you get in the box. You get the quick start guide, the window decal, the mounting plate. The one thing I skimmed across as I was opening up is this is the template for the mounting plate. You would hold this against the wall or ceiling to start your drill holes. Then you have your mounting screws and anchors, power adapter, and the camera itself. Taking a closer look at the camera, your power inlet on the back, this is your speaker. On the front, you do have the lens of the camera, along with your daylight sensor and your LED for your status of the camera and your built-in microphone. Now the SD card, you actually have to take your finger and pull the eyeball up of the camera, and it's difficult to see. See if I can angle it a little bit with the lighting. That is your slot for your SD card, and that is also where your reset button is located. Within the directions, it'll show you what the light indicators stand for. and it gives you the options of setting up the Reolink app and also the desktop client if you so choose. So let's get started setting it up on the app first. In setting up the Reolink app on a smartphone, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to the App Store and download the application. In this case, I've already opened up the App Store. I did a quick search for Reolink, and you're going to click on the Reolink Utilities and start the download process. Since I've already downloaded this application once and then deleted it so I could do this video, I do have a cloud symbol that I can re-download. Once the download has completed, go ahead and click on the Open button. And if you haven't already done so, please go to the Reolink website and create an account. Your first prompt will be asking for permission to access and connect to your network. Click OK. Go ahead and allow notification. Agree to the terms. And after your account has been set up online, go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, next thing you want to do is plug in your camera. The instructions are not very clear on this next step, but go ahead and power up the camera. Give it time to boot, and you'll start getting a beacon tone. Click a plus on the app to add a device. It prompts you to scan a QR code. You need to allow the application to have access to the camera. Click OK. Now, instead of scanning the camera, the first thing you want to do is click on LAN. No devices are detected under the Wi-Fi for the smart to connect to. Back out one. Scan the barcode. I'm going to enter my Wi-Fi information. At this point, I should now scan now, allow the camera to see my phone once the code is loaded.
Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
I click I have heard the voice prompt. Click next.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
I have heard the voice prompt. Click next.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
The next step, it says create a login and password for this particular device.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Click next. I'm just going to name this as a test camera for now. Click next. And we're done. If you'd like to access the photos, I'll say yes in case I want to do some screenshots and throw it over there. Done. It appears that it is added. So I now have the ability to click on a live stream from my app. I can take an image or record a video, and I'm going to get into these steps a little bit more and give you feedback on it. So clearly there's some confusion in regards to the setup. I'm listening for a voice prompt they're indicating that it should be a voice, and it's not a voice at all, it's a beacon. So if you're hearing the beacon, you continue to move on. Once you have the camera added to your application, there are a lot of settings that you can go in and tweak to your liking. Looking at the bottom of the screen, you see you have a talk option. By clicking it, you then tap another button to talk. This would send your voice to the camera and vice versa, from the camera to your phone. The clip option, you can take the small rectangle at the bottom and move it to the area in which you want to focus on with the camera, and the camera view will switch to that area. The PTZ is your pan tilt option. You can click on it and then control which way you want to pan: up, down, left, right. Playback. In this case, I cannot use playback because I have not installed an SD card as of yet. I do plan to do that because it's very important to me to have the ability to have the playback option. If you want to pause the live view, you hit the pause button on the left. If you want to listen, hit the speaker button. You can also take a snapshot of the current view or do a video recording. You can maximize the screen by using the 4 arrows on the right hand side. And at the top, you can also hit on the gears to go into additional settings. Set up your motion detection, the sensitivity, and the zones. Push notifications, your email, and various other settings I'm not going to get into at this time. The bottom line, there's a lot of flexibility to this. It is new to me. Therefore, I am going to dive in a little bit deeper and understand the other functionalities of it. And I'm also going to download the desktop client application. After you get your camera set up and start using it a little bit, don't forget to go back to the web portal where you originally signed up. If you install the SD card in the camera, you can go to the Reolink cloud and view the things that your camera is recording. Also, don't forget to check out the Reolink desktop app. Here you'll have the capabilities to install multiple cameras and view them all from one large screen. You also have some other functionalities, and I won't go into them at this time. Again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to be notified of future posts. Thanks for watching.